Percentages, but in reverse? If we increase 100 by 10%, we times it by the multiplier 1.1. But imagine we had the answer, but we wanted to find the question. How would we get from 110 back to 100? What is the opposite of times 1.1? We can divide 110 by 1.1 to find 100. Let's go through these questions. In this question, we're increasing something by 6%. As a multiplier, 6% increase will be 100 plus 6 would be 106%, divided by 100, 1.06. We know that it's going to equal 371. Since we're starting with 371, we'll need to divide the multiplier to give us 350, which was the original amount. In this question, we are decreasing the original amount by 40%. So the multiplier will be 100, take away 40, which is 60, divided by 100, which will be 0.6. This will equal 33. Since we're starting with the 33, we need to divide by the multiplier, which will give us the answer of £55. We can start this question off by finding the multiplier. An increase of 9% will be 109%, divided by 100 will be 1.09. Normally, if we were given the original amount and we had to find the final amount, we would do original times that 1.09 to the power of the amount of years, which will be 6 years, and it will give us our answer. But we are given the answer here of 1.54, so we need to do the reverse. Instead of timesing the original by 1.09 to the power of 6, we need to divide the 1.54, the final amount, by the 1.09 to the power of 6. When you do this, you find the original was £0.92 to 2 decimal places. Let's end on this. Ted thinks that you can find the price before a 40% reduction by multiplying the final amount by 0.6. Explain his mistake. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can also come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.